Is a video to connect with your one-of-a-kind kid and spend some quality time together. Everybody is teaching you these days how to start a business, and if you want to start a seven-figure business, this is not the video for you. This is not a video to make $1 million. This is a wonderful activity that teaches maths, problem solving, and social skills that'll serve them later in life, and practical skills that can serve them right now. And you can do it relatively cheaply in an afternoon. I'm going to show you how we did it one afternoon after school using Facebook. So let's go to my screen. Now we are going to start a new page. This is obviously everystorymystory.com. And what we're going to do is, if we're going to start a business, the easiest way to do that at no cost is to use Facebook. Most people have Facebook, so it's something you can do. Just pop on here with your kid. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to create a page right there. So you just click that. Now, my kid's business. Come up with a better title, right? Category required. You'll just type in maybe they want to do, they want to be a baker. Bakery. There you go. Cool. My kid makes awesome cookies. Write something better than that, guys. Right? And then you'll pop a picture in there and you just create your page. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now let's jump over. Well, once it loads. Great. There. See? It's all created. All done. Now let's jump over to Vienne's page. Vienne's Doggy Treats. So this is the one that Vienne and I made. That's just how we did that. All right. So you can see she made herself a logo. She drew that. So that was the first thing we did. She named it Vienne's Doggy Treats, right? And then we made this little video. This is just done on my phone. I said, why don't you get your cookie cutters out and stand here in my office and put on your apron so you look like you've been baking.
Hi, I'm Vienne. I'm owner of Doggy Treats. I have star ones and some Christmas tree ones. They're for your puppies. If you have any dogs at home, we can give them some puppy biscuits. Click the button below to order. Bye.
That's it. That's it. That's what we did. We made a little video, we posted it, and it reached 270 people with an engagement of 164. I should probably like that. She was able to sell. You can post your products here in Facebook. You can do it all here. Appointments, whatever you want, you can do that. Made a little name in Canva. Again, you can use that anywhere. Super easy. We did it in a couple hours in an afternoon. She's got her own business and she can stand up and say, I am a business owner. And she feels pretty good about that. So what business is your kid going to do? Check your local region for your rules about owning your own business. In Australia, you need to have an ABN. Now, my daughter could go under my ABN and that was fine, but that might not be an option for you. So you may need to get one. You get those free in Australia, or whatever your region is, just double check that before you go on. This is not legal or financial advice. It is just something fun to do with your kid. Now, if your child doesn't want to start a doggy treat business, that's okay. This can be applied to any dream occupation. And if you click here, you can get a copy of the workbook and how to turn a dream of being a firefighter, a policeman, a teacher, or anything like that that requires education like being a vet, how to turn that into something that a child can do now even without a university degree. And good luck, guys. Show her links to your new businesses in the comments. And let's start advertising and get more sales for your one-of-a-kind kids. If your child wants to be a published writer, remember to check out next week. We'll be doing a video on how to get started as a writer. Awesome, guys. Welcome. Good job. Now, get out there and let's start our own businesses.